Hello, today I am going to be crafting with our Christmas Traditions topper set from our Christmas Blockbuster. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to make this into a stepper card. So I've already trimmed my length down to 28 centimetres, so it's a nice round number for us. I also want our step to be at the side, so I'm only going to be scoring at the bottom side of the cardstock. So first of all, I'm going to score at 3. And I'm stopping at roughly at 10 centimetres. I'm then going to score at 6 centimetres. And 10 centimetres. And again, I'm only applying pressure just when I'm on the bottom of my cardstock. I'm then going to score all the way down at 14, that's going to be our halfway point. And then finally, I'm going to score at 21. Okay, I'm then going to put my cardstock in at 0.5 centimetres and then cut from the first score line to the last. And this is where, if you've not scored long enough, you can bring your scoreboard back in and go again. What we then want to do is mountain and valley fold. And burnish all our scores so that they are nice and crisp. I'm then going to piece out all of my toppers to make the 12 days of Christmas. I'm then going to adhere them all the way from the top to the bottom onto my step, and I'm just going to lay them out and then use some foam pads to add them onto my steps. Perfect. So I've added all of my 12 days of Christmas from 1 to 12 on our steps. I've started from the 1 and finished at the 12, and I haven't used all of these just for the sake of room, but I've gone in and embellished with a partridge in a pear tree, 5 gold rings, 9 ladies dancing, and then all 3 on my centre step of the card. You can embellish further with ribbons or gemstones, but that is our 12 days of Christmas stepper card all finished.